Switching to a new phone doesn't mean losing access to your Coinbase account. Let's ensure your crypto stays secure by setting up Coinbase Authenticator on your new device. First, download the Coinbase app on your new phone from your app store. Don't open it yet. On your old phone, open the Coinbase app if you still have access. This will simplify the process dramatically. In the Coinbase app on your old phone, navigate to your profile settings, look for a security or two-factor authentication option, tap on it. You should see the Authenticator app listed. If it's active, tap on it. Coinbase might ask you to verify your identity at this stage with your password, your email, or your existing Authenticator code. If available, select the option to migrate to new device. Coinbase will generate a QR code or display a setup key. On your new phone, download either Google Authenticator or Authy, whichever you prefer to use for your Coinbase account. Open the Authenticator app and select scan a QR code or enter setup key. Scan the QR code displayed on your old phone with your new phone. The Authenticator app will automatically add a Coinbase account and start generating verification codes. Now, on your new phone, open the Coinbase app. When prompted for a verification code, enter the code displayed in your Authenticator app. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Coinbase Authenticator on your new phone. Remember to keep your recovery phrase in a safe place in case you lose access to both your phone and your Authenticator app. If you no longer have access to your old phone or your recovery phrase, you'll need to go through Coinbase's account recovery process. Visit Coinbase Help and search for Authenticator Reset to start this process, which may take some time.